Ma'am, what was the 19 question?
So welcome to SST class again. Today for 21st question, we'll continue our revision work of economics only with in this class. Question number 21. So before continuing our revision, I just want to inform you about a periodic test that prepare nicely under any picture or any information is given, read each and everything carefully. Plus, one more thing to remind you that to keep a backup of the paper submitted also. If any means network issue is there or you are not able to submit on time, so the backup of paper should be with you. Okay, whatever paper you are submitting, na, you should keep one backup paper also with you, one copy of it. Are you following? Okay, now multiple cropping refers question number 21. Multiple cropping refers to multiple cropping refers to yes, Anshika.
Option C, cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year.
Yes. Anybody else?
Ma'am, C only.
Ma'am, C.
Any if anybody
Ma'am,
else in
C.
favor of anything else, any other option? C
No,
only.
ma'am.
Okay. Then that means cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year is the correct option for multiple cropping. Question number 21. That means it is cultivating more than one crop on the same field each year. Next question. The use of high yields with combination of HYV, that is high yielding variety of seeds, irrigation, chemical, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. refers to.
Ma'am, A, modern cropping.
Ma'am, modern cropping.
Sure?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am,
ma'am.
sure.
Okay. So for 22nd, modern cropping, that is which option?
Ma'am,
A,
A.
A option is the correct option. Everybody is marked A. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
next is Biga or Ginta are a type of village house, a type of
Ma'am,
hybrid seed, measuring units of range or units of land area in village. Yes, Anshika.
ma'am, ma'am, D, the measuring units of
Ma'am,
land area and
Anybody
the
else?
measuring units of land area in village.
Ma'am, last.
Last one. Everybody is in favor of last only or any
Yes,
other
ma'am.
option is there? Correct option.
Ma'am, last only.
Okay. So the measuring of units of land area in village is called as Biga or Gunta. Then next is question number 24. Which one of the following term is used for measuring crop produced on given piece of land during a single season? Yes, Sana's hand is raised first. Sana, which one of the following terms is used for measuring crops produced on given piece of land during a single season?
Ma'am, cultivated.
Ma'am, option C, cultivation.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Anybody
D,
else?
out.
Ma'am, option
Ma'am,
C,
C, cultivation.
Which, listen to the question first. Which one of the following terms is used for measuring crop produced on the given piece of land during a single season?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
A,
option
A.
yield.
Option A.
Yes, now
B.
when I read
Yield.
the question, then you are saying the first option. So you have to read the questions carefully what they are asking. That is yield. A option is the correct option, yield. Here, Chati, any other option is there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So A is the correct option only, yield. Yield is the term used for measuring crops you produce on the given piece of land during the single season. एक सीजन में कितना प्रोडक्शन हुआ एक पर्टिकुलर लैंड पे, that is called as yield. Then 25th question, which kharif crop is used for cattle feed? Which kharif crop is used for cattle feed? Yes, Yashika.
Ma'am, C.
C.
Ma'am,
Sana.
C.
Ma'am, C. Jowar and Bajra.
Ma'am, C.
Ma'am, C.
C. Everybody is in favor of C.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then Priyansh, what happened? Any problem? You want to show me the answer here?
Yes, ma'am. This answer only.
Jawar and Bajra. So C is the correct option. Next, HYV stands for, HYV seeds stands for
High yielding variety seeds.
HYV. Yes.
Ma'am, high yielding variety seed. Ma'am, high yielding variety seed.
High yielding variety seeds.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, B.
that means which option?
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Yes, B option is the correct option. High yielding
Yes, ma'am.
variety seeds. So those who are written just B option, that is the correct option. Otherwise, write down this correct option. Now, 27th, modern farming methods were tried in India for the first time in.
Ma'am, A. Punjab.
Ma'am, all of the above.
Ma'am, all
Ma'am,
of the
Ma'am, all.
all of Punjab.
Modern farming methods were tried in India for the first time in.
All of the above.
All of the above. Okay. Next is another 28. High yielding variety seeds, HYV, were introduced to Indian farmers as a result of what? High yielding variety seeds were introduced to Indian farmers as a result of white revolution, green revolution, IT revolution, or none of the above. Yes.
Green revolution.
Ma'am, Green Revolution.
Sure.
Green revolution.
Green
Yes,
revolution.
ma'am.
Green revolution. Yes. The answer green revolution is the correct option. Next, 29. The activities such as small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping are referred to as.
Ma'am, non-market activities.
Ma'am, non-farming activities.
Ma'am, option B, non-farming
Ma'am,
activities.
non-farming activities.
Yes. 29th option.
Yes, ma'am.
29th correct option is non-farming activities, that is B. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. A farmer who works on a piece of 1 hectare of land is treated as. A farmer who works on 1 hectare of land is treated as what?
Ma'am,
Yes.
small farmer.
Small farmer.
Small
Ma'am,
farmers.
small farmers.
I'm small farm.
Okay. So everybody is in favor of small farmers? Small
Yes,
farmers.
ma'am.
Small
Yes,
farmers is
ma'am.
the correct option. Now, this completes your revision work of economics.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
hope all the answers are clear now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubt in any question?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, answer number 21.
29th. The activities such
Ma'am,
as
21.
21. 21. Multiple cropping refers to. Multiple cropping refers to cultivating more than one crop. एक से ज्यादा क्रॉप उगाना कहाँ पर? सेम फील्ड में. ईच ईयर, हर साल उसी फील्ड में बहुत सारी क्रॉप्स उगाना एक साथ. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. क्लियर?
Ma'am, 20
Yes, ma'am.
20.
Yes.
Ma'am, 19 and 20.
Ma'am,
19 and 20.
ma'am, 20.
First 19. Which one among the following is a non-farm activity? Non-farm activity 19 is dairy farming.
Dairy farming.
Okay. Sorry.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Next is 20th. Which one of the following is not an effect of the modern farming method? That is water pollution. You can mark there.
Water pollution.
but मैम केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर से तो वाटर पोल्यूशन होता है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am. Ma'am, water pollution होता है.
हाँ. Which one of the following is not an effect of modern farming method? Water pollution, but decrease.
Chemicals की वजह से water तो खराब होता है.
I will check and let you know. Okay, afterwards.
Okay,
But just
ma'am.
I will mark water pollution for this only, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
अगर ये ऑप्शन आता है तो वाटर पोल्यूशन ही मार्क करो. बट दिस सॉइल डिग्रेडेशन इज देयर फॉर द HYV seeds and all. Deforestation is there. Decrease in groundwater water pollution. I'll check it again once again and let you know. Okay, for this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, yesterday you have taken geography's test in which there was a question that how many states and union territories are in India.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in our book there is given 29 states and 7 union territories. But ma'am, now it is 28 states and 8 union territories. So ma'am, what we have to write?
In the option, according to the options, you write it down. है ना? According to the option, that is why I am telling you, check the options for. If it is given current options, then you write down about the correct current options only. Otherwise, if the current option is not there, previous option is given, then you can mark for the previous option only.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Another thing in civics also, I want to say to you first. Okay, now economics is clear. So I'm removing this now.
Yes,
Economics,
ma'am.
because I want to show
Yes,
you civics 11th question. Okay. This in civics revision test in 11th about Chinese parliament. This question. Make a correction in your notebook for this civics revision. Question number 11. Everybody.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, A will be there.
हाँ, A will be there. Because then I find in the note in the book, first line it is given only. Page number 27, first line it is given in China, elections were held regularly after every 5 years for electing country's parliament. And that was called as with the Kwango Renmin Daiboni, and it was called as National People's Congress. So in this A option will be correct. Hello. Make a correction in your notebook for Chinese parliament, beta, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
चाइनीज
Yes,
पार्लियामेंट
ma'am.
का जो आपने ऑप्शन नेशनल पीपल्स कांग्रेस होना चाहिए, ठीक है ना? ये
Ma'am,
तो
in civics, number
पार्टी
8,
थी.
what is the answer?
विच सिविक्स?
In civics 8, 9 and 10, what is the answer?
वेट अ सेकंड. वेट अ सेकंड. Civics 8. He overthrew this one. Hello, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
He overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself the chief executive of the country. Later, he changed his designation.
General Pervez Musharraf.
Yes.
General Pervez Musharraf.
Yes, General Pervez Musharraf will be the answer.
And ma'am 9.
Ninth is
Tenth.
in democracy.
Ma'am, those elected by people.
In democracy,
Those
final
elected by
decision
people.
making.
Those elected by people.
ma'am, those elected by people.
Ninth is C. Those elected by
Yes, ma'am.
people. Okay. Then 11th. 11th, in China, elections are held regularly after every
5 years.
5 years.
हाँ
Okay,
मैक्स
ma'am.
चाइना में
Thank you.
अगर वर्ड चाइना आता है तो 5 years आएगा, और अगर मैक्सिको आएगा तो
Mexico. 6
मैक्सिको में 6 years है. Yes.
years.
And everybody, yes, and those who have not attended today's class, if any of your friends have not attended today's class, remind them to change this answer also of civics. What is the Chinese parliament called?
Okay, ma'am.
नेशनल पीपल्स कांग्रेस. आपकी किसी फ्रेंड ने नहीं करी आज ज्वाइन, तो आप उनको भी बता देना कि मैम ने करेक्शन
हाँ.
कराया था. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
एनीथिंग एल्स?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ, यस.
मैम आज टेस्ट है क्या?
आज टेस्ट है. किसका टेस्ट है बेटा? आज एसएससी का तो नहीं. एसएससी का तो गूगल फॉर्म लिंक आई हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन ऑन गूगल फॉर्म ना.
कंप्यूटर का
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now be prepared nicely for your test. Test will be first day only, 5th, 9th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
5th of July only you are all having. Be careful, read the questions, each and
Yes,
every
ma'am.
question carefully, and keep up a backup of paper also, which you are submitting, so that if any problem rises afterwards, you are able to show that you have attended the paper. जो आप पेपर अटेंड करोगे उसको
Okay,
सबमिट
ma'am.
करोगे तो आप बैकअप रखना अपने पास ही. एनीथिंग एल्स? Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
I think now these all the questions were clear. Civics also. Now tomorrow another class will be there also. Tomorrow overall I will take test, means oral test only. Okay. Any question I will put up. Any question, कुछ भी question बीच बीच में से कहीं से भी कुछ भी पूछ लूंगी मैं. History, civics,
Okay,
geography,
ma'am.
economics, anything. And that will be orally. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the revision work of today, and it is all completed in your SST notebook itself. And whatever doubts you are having, tomorrow again a day is there, Saturday. You can ask your doubts, clarify your doubts. Otherwise, you will
Okay,
continue
ma'am.
with the revision work. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you.